In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rate a Udemy course. Whether you're new to online learning or a seasoned course taker, understanding how to rate your course experience effectively can greatly enhance your learning journey while helping others make informed decisions. Let's get started. First, to rate a course, you'll need to head over to your Udemy dashboard. It's pretty straightforward. Log into your Udemy account and navigate to the My Learning section. This is where all your enrolled courses reside. Clicking on it will take you to a page that lists all the courses you've signed up for, whether completed or still in progress. Now, here's the key part. Once you've wrapped up a course, Udemy gives you the opportunity to rate your experience. This is the perfect moment to reflect on the course content, the instructor's delivery, and how much value you feel the course added to your knowledge or skills. It's important to approach this with clarity, because your feedback will not only help the instructor improve their future courses, but also provide valuable insight for prospective students. Udemy uses a 5-star rating system. 5 stars represent the highest praise you can give a course, indicating that it met or exceeded your expectations in every aspect. Perhaps the course content was impeccable, the instructor was engaging, and the overall learning experience was seamless. On the other end of the spectrum, 1 star would suggest that the course fell short in numerous areas, leaving you dissatisfied. When deciding on your rating, consider aspects such as the quality of the course material, whether the lessons match the course description, the responsiveness of the instructor, and how helpful the additional resources were if provided. It's okay to be honest in your feedback. Honesty helps foster improvement and high standards across the platform. As you select your star rating, you might be prompted to provide a written review or some additional comments. If so, take this opportunity to elaborate on your rating. Share specific examples of what you enjoyed or what you think could be improved. This detail adds color to your review and gives it more weight for people deciding whether to enroll in the course. Remember, rating a course is more than just giving stars. It's sharing your learning experience openly. A constructive review can guide others in finding courses that best meet their learning needs and aspirations, while also assisting instructors in refining their content to better serve students like you. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has been helpful. Now it's time to head over to Udemy, get into your dashboard, and rate those courses. Your feedback is invaluable to both fellow learners and course creators alike. Happy learning!